Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Here is Nitin, and in today's session, I'm gonna discuss another pattern problem in Java. In the earlier session, I had already discussed the type 1 pattern, but in this session, I'll be discussing the second type of pattern. So here is our pattern. This is also known as inverted pattern. So in the earlier session, you can see we had discussed this straighter type of pattern, and in this session we'll be printing the same but its reverse or alternate type of pattern. In the left side you can see our coding part is here. This is nothing but our nested for loop. This is first one is also called as outer for loop, and the second one is known as inner for loop. So let's begin with the explanation part or logic part. Okay, so here you can see initially the I value is 4, I equal to 4, I greater than equal to 0. That means what? Condition is true. 4 greater than equal to 0, condition true. So it will come inside this inner loop. In the inner loop, j is initially 0 and j less than equal to I. That means 0 less than equal to 4. Condition is true. It will come here and print the first star. You can see first star is printed. Then the j value will get incremented. Now j value will become what? 1. Then j equal to 1, 1 less than equal to 4. I value is 4. Condition is true. It will come again here. It will print the second star. Then the j value will get incremented again. J value will become 2. Now j equal to 2, 2 less than equal to 4. Condition is true. It will again come here. It will print our third star. Similarly, j value will become 3 after incrementing. Now j equal to 3, 3 less than equal to 4, condition true. It will come here. It will print another star. Now 4 star are printed. Again, j value will get incremented and it will become 4. So j equal to 4, 4 less than equal to I means 4 less than equal to 4, condition is true. Again, it will print another star. So 5 stars are printed. Now see, j value will get incremented. It will become 5. So now j value less than equal to I means 5 less than equal to I. Condition true or false? Condition is false. So it will come out of this loop and it will come to this line. Here it will print a new line. Here you can see it came here. Then it will come here to the outer for loop. Here initially I value is 4. Now the value will get decremented and it will become 3. So I value is 3. 3 greater than equal to 0. Condition is true. Okay. It will come here to the inner for loop. In the inner for loop, j value is again reset to 0. 0 less than equal to I. That means 0 less than equal to 3. Condition is true. It will come inside this loop and it will print star. For j equal to 1, it will print second star. For j equal to 2, it will print this third star. For j equal to 3, it will print this fourth star. So 4 stars are printed. Now see, j value will get incremented again. J value will become 4. Now j equal to 4, 4 less than equal to I. That means 4 less than equal to 3. Condition is false. So it will come out of this loop and print a new line for us. So it will come here again to a new line. Here I value will get incremented to 2. I equal to 2. 2 greater than equal to 0. Condition true. It it will come here, inner for loop. Here j value will get reset to 0. 0. Okay. So j equal to 0, 0 less than equal to 2. Condition is true. Yeah. So it will print 1 star. Okay. So j equal to 1 again. After incrementing j, second star will get printed. For j equal to 2, third star will get printed. Now after that, j value will get incremented again. J value will become 3. 3 less than equal to 2. Condition false. It will come out of this loop. It will print a new line. Okay, it will come here. Now we'll come here. In our outer for loop, I value will get decremented to 1 now. I equal to 1, 1 greater than equal to 0. Condition true. It will come here. In the inner for loop, as you know, j value will get reset to 0. 0 less than equal to I. That means 0 less than equal to 1. Condition true. It will print 1 star. That means here, for j value equal to 1, it will print another star. Now like other steps, j value will get incremented again. J value will become 2. 2 less than equal to 1. Condition false. It will come out of this loop. It will print a new line. Okay. So we'll come back again to the outer for loop where the I value will get decremented again. I value will become 0. Now 0 less than equal to 0. Condition is true. Then in this inner for loop, we have j value reset to 0. Now j equal to 0, 0 less than equal to 0, condition true. So we'll print 1 star. 1 star is printed. Then j value will get incremented again. J value will become 1. Now see, j equal to 1, 1 less than equal to 0, condition false. It will come out of this loop. It will print a new line. Okay. So our code is over now. Hope you have understand this program perfectly, and let me execute this for you. So I can copy this whole thing. Okay. Okay. You can see our code is ready. I have pasted the same thing from the slide what I have explained to our compiler. That is online Java compiler. So let me execute this. Yeah, you can see here the output is here. You can see the inverted pattern is printed here. So whatever I explained you here in this slide, same thing I copied and I executed here. The inverted pattern is printed. So hope you have enjoyed this session, and if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel and press bell icon so that you never miss an update. Okay, then see you in another session. Thanks for watching.